Hey guys, so today I'll be sharing with you guys some wax. So a they're gonna be having a Black Friday sale. So I'm gonna link everything down below, and I'm gonna be using the Tress Wellness wax. We're gonna be using the bikini wax too, but for the bikini wax you can use it all over the body, and we're gonna use the regular wax as well. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so here we have the regular wax. The one came with the kit. I mixed a few bags together. This one is still melting. And then this is their bikini wax. Okay, so I'm gonna be using both today to show you guys how well it works. So we're gonna first cleanse the skin, prep the skin for the wax. And then I'm gonna put some oil as well. And then we'll be putting some powder on. Okay, so for the leg, I'll be going downwards towards the ankle. And don't forget to use the pressure and spreading the wax. So the wax doesn't take too long to dry, so just go ahead and press it down. And then you're gonna lift it and pull it towards the opposite side as how you applied. So these wax strips are pretty thin, but it still is effective, and it doesn't rip when you're pulling it. So I'll just be doing the same thing and going all the way around the leg. So my girlfriend is doing the other side. I wanted her to test the wax as well. So we both approved that it is really good. So I like to just say that the bikini wax was my favorite. So now we have my friend turn around so we can get the back of the legs. If you find that you have wax left on the skin, use the shiny part of the wax to remove it from the skin. Alrighty guys, so now I'll be using the wax that came with the complete kit of the Tress Wellness. So this is the wax that came inside the kit. We're going to be using it for the underarms. Alrighty guys, so that would be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, it helped you guys, help someone to lay a strip of wax. But yeah, so don't forget to go check them out. This kit is great for home use, beginners, you know, if you just want to wax your lip, you know, this is a great kit because it has everything. And don't forget to go ahead and get the bikini wax. That's my favorite one. They'll have a sale on Amazon Black Friday, so don't forget because you'll miss out. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.